My name is Paul B. In Pasadena, California, and GoPro remodeled my entire home. Well, it was more of a need because I had a tenant in this house for many years, and after they left, the internal of the house was in pretty bad shape, kind of like dilapidated and such, and the exterior of the house was just as bad, and I knew I needed to get it remodeled. The time it would take to complete the job, and the cost, and the quality. Those are the main three concerns when I consider hiring a contractor. What I found unique about GoPro Remodeling was they actually listened to my concerns. I did have quite a few minor concerns and things during the project, but they responded and addressed them immediately, which was kind of refreshing. What stood out was GoPro Remodeling was very responsive to my concerns, and putting the concern part aside, they listened to my requests, and they did what they could to meet some of the demands that I made, without much of a hassle. So I think that was pretty unique of them. I would recommend GoPro to my friends and family. In fact, my family recommended GoPro to me, and so now there's two people I know that have recommended GoPro, and I would certainly recommend them to any potential person who needs a contractor. Well, you know, I had choices of multiple contractors, and I had estimates and multiple contractors coming in here and tell me what needed to be done, but they left a lot of stuff out. And what I noticed about GoPro is they told me about all the hidden stuff that the other contractors didn't tell me about, like the electrical box in the back and things like that. So I felt that they were honest and upfront before the job started. So that's, you know, I found that to be an important thing to know. So I did have multiple choices. There were some of the other choices were slightly lower, but after finding out that a lot of things were not mentioned in the estimates and things like that, I decided to go with GoPro, because GoPro made me aware of the things that, you know, that weren't in the other estimates, and I think that's important. They were no surprises.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you for your business.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
It's an excellent job. It's amazing. It's hard to believe it's the same house.
We really enjoy the work with you, and I look forward for the next job.
It's
Thank
coming
you so
soon.
much.
Thank you.